Hi, I'm Alex from Stream and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the mesh strip curtain. As you can see, the curtain consists of strips of mesh that are heavy duty and available in a range of colours. At the top you have the header bar that they hang from, and at the bottom you have some weights that hold them in place. The mesh is not only ideal to stop insects from getting in, but it is also a Suntex mesh, which means that it will stop up to 80% of UV and heat entering the property. The curtain is quite easy to use. You simply part the mesh strips and walk through. And as you can see, the weights at the bottom then allow the curtain to fall back into place. So the curtain's also ideal if you have pets, cats, dogs, perhaps that you're wanting to allow access to the property while using the curtain. The curtain can be left in place all the time. As you can see, when we close the door, it can sit there quite nicely, but there may be occasions when you're wanting to remove it, perhaps for cleaning or maybe in winter when you want to store it away. And so it's also quite easy to remove. You simply take the header bar, lift it up in the backing plate, tilt it forward, and it will lower down. So you can just leave the backing plate there in place all year round and put the curtain up when required. Lastly, if there's any information you need that we haven't covered in this video, there's plenty of information on the product page of the website, or if your answers aren't found there, then please do get in touch.